daily tapped out at 68.21.
The daily. The daily's hitting that. That's why I probably put. You got another level now that I'm looking at the daily. You should probably catch some support if you do pull back. Some support should come in around 65.80, and then you get support
Mm-hmm.
again down there like $65 flat. So you could look for those on PayPal. Tesla like is
That's
catching support. I
$65
got out of
flat.
my
Yeah, that's on top of that red candle before the gap down.
ooh, look at Coinbase pushing again today.
Yeah, kid. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I should have waited and jump on a call. Because imagine holding a fucking call from
On
yesterday
Coinbase,
to
yeah, I had a
oh
call yesterday. I took profit on it. I should have held that. Should have swung it through today.
man, boy.
But you never know with crypto though, man. It's like the overnight price action. I know the market had a good reaction to Fed Powell, and he came out pretty bullish. I'm not gonna lie. So
Yeah, yeah.
I was like, oh okay.
Shit.
Powell
But
coming out
that
like a
but
bull
from that
today.
230 though, but from that 230 to 270, come on, bruh. From yesterday, that's a crazy swing.
Yeah, coin is pushing right now. 230 to
Pushing, bro.
270. Yeah. Let's look at the Bitcoin chart real quick. That'll tell you. Bitcoin is in a little push up right now too. So coin probably gonna push today.
Pushing
Shit,
today.
I'm gonna grab a little call scalp on them.
Everything pushing today. I don't know what's going on. Even Walmart
Nah,
pushing.
everything pushing today because of what Powell said. I'm telling
Right? This power turned the whole market green today, boy.
you.
Look at SPY. Overnight move. Fucking bastard.
These Coinbase
Them ones don't be
contracts is
smooth during the day.
expensive though, man. Those premiums are wild
Yeah.
on Coinbase. I can't even jump in right now because of how wild they went. The contracts that are worth the 290s that are worth 120, they already at 240 right now.
Yeesh.
They were at 120 this morning, and they at 240
Mm-hmm.
now. Cause it was at 261 this morning. It jumped $10 already.
That's crazy. That's within an hour.
Right.
Less
And
than
the
an
and the
hour.
30 minutes still ain't even crossed to the green. I'm gonna have to go.
Sheesh.
This is gonna be a high risk play, but that momentum is killing right now.
Yeah. You want to jump in and lose money, but that's
These spreads are wild. Let me look at the 7-day contracts. The 7-day contracts may be more favorable. Let me pull them up on here so everybody can see. The 7-day contracts may be more favorable. So let me pull those up. See what we're looking like. Is this coin? This is not coin.
oh, it's $600.
Alright, this at 272 right now.
That's
270
from
is a
the
level,
first.
so I'm gonna try. I want to see what we're doing with this 270 level. Is it really about to hold above there, or are we about to hit heavy rejection? Just put in the buying block too. Shit. Yeah.
You'd have got into like a 300 call yesterday.
Yeah,
That shit
yeah.
would have been worth like 220, and you would have been up 620 today. A $400 swing.
$400 swing and turnaround. Yeah, I'm nervous for Coinbase right here, man.
It's too high.
It's too high, bro. It's too high. It's too
That
expensive for
bitch,
my blood right now, man.
this shit almost at the 52 week high.
Yeah.
Almost there, bro. That's a couple more cents.
273 is the 52-week high. Yeah, it just broke that.
Mm. Oh shit. Not talking about it. There you go.
what I say. Like it hasn't even crossed up. It's just now starting to cross up on the 30. Well, you know how I feel about the 30.
Alright.
You know, in the
That thing
30 I
about to run
trust.
with you.
The 30's telling a story. The 30's like, come get this money right now.
Cause you already missed it at open, boy.
Yeah, because that was the move at open, boy, to take that on
That's a
open.
whole $10 move at open, boy.
That's wild.
Yeah, ain't no other stock doing $10 moves at open, boy.
I'm gonna do the
That Apple,
290s. Yeah, I'm gonna grab a 290. I'm gonna grab a 290. I'm only gonna grab one and pray that we hold above 270 now.
we got 400%. Let's go.
On you're 400% on PayPal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what I like to hear. 400% gains. Where they do that at, man? Come on. Yeah, I
Damn,
took my.
boy, I wish I had more bread to average down yesterday.
Listen, man, I'm in coin calls, man.
Uh-huh.
You can't fight the wave. Let me let everybody know I jumped into coin calls over here. Coin 290s. We're gonna take profit. This thing touched 280. I'm gone, dog. I'm sorry. I am out. I'm gonna watch the 30-minute momentum, and I'm gonna watch closely now on the 15. See when that starts peeking out. When the 15 starts peeking out is when I'll exit.
Alright.
Yeah, if I start seeing like an engulfing candle or anything like that on the 15, that's gonna be my time to get up out of there. SPY hasn't really moved on open.
It hasn't. It's stalling.
Yeah, because Apple and Microsoft are pulling back on open, honestly.
That's why SPY probably waiting on to see what Microsoft and Apple gonna do. They're like, oh, okay. Thought I was gonna go up.
Hmm.
And she gonna go right back to 520.
Yo, this coin call is up 30% already, bro.
Alright.
You had to spend the money, but I saw it. Look, man, the chart tells what the chart tells. I'm gonna follow the story.
Uh-huh. Facts.
The chart said what the chart said. It's crazy because I have what I'm doing is I'm doing a small kind of collar on coin. I have the 290 call, and I got
Uh-huh.
the 247 put. 247 put is worth less than the call though. I bought the call at a much higher price. So as long as the call is pushing up, this is gonna kill whatever loss I take in that put. But when I
Yeah.
see the pivot, I could sell the call and I could hold the put, probably dollar cost average into the put, and then take that into profit and get up out of it and be done.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah, but you got to be able to identify that pivot point. The put is not that expensive, so I'm not too worried if that even goes all the way down. I just really want to see how far this push we're going to get is going to go.
This call go.
Yeah, 275. Looks like it's getting a little shaky right here. The CCI is turning on the 5 minute, but not the 15. Oh, yeah, the 15 is curving down a little bit right now. Taking my profit.
So you taking profit?
Yeah. Took a little 20% profit, boy. How fast you gotta be with this shit. I ain't messing with them, dog. Coin, that shit is
Too
crazy.
quick
That
for me,
contract is
bro.
crazy.
Yeah, what's going on?
What's going on,
What's
bro?
going on? Should have jumped in that coin call.
I did. I just grabbed it. I grabbed the quick 20% and got out.
Alright.
Bruh, it's pushing crazy this morning. We were just. I should have swung my coin call from yesterday because I had a coin call right before close yesterday. I was like, when it break 254, I'm gonna take profit. It got right around that 254, right around like 3:30. I took profit yesterday.
Uh-huh.
Could have held it overnight and took profit, but nah. I wasn't taking that kind of risk. Locking the gains, and you could have
Damn,
jumped
bro,
back in this morning.
I gotta lock in with Empower Assets, boy.
Yeah, you
This
gotta see
nigga's
when he put the call outs on there.
right? I
people don't pay attention to the trade call outs.
$1,200, boy.
Hmm?
I said he made $1,200 on MU.
Micron, yeah, I think he put that in the weekly play. I'm not sure if he did a collar on it or just a call. I'm not sure how he played it, but I know he had a position with them, and then he had some collar trades showing through play through Powell's talking, but calls pretty much dominated yesterday. So if you had any puts, those joints was dead. But the calls would have came up. Huh?
The SPY's testing high today. That thing going down, man.
I'm waiting for Tesla to show weakness again, boy. Tesla puts paid this morning. Look at the news really quick.
PayPal paying the bills right now, boy.
You didn't grab another contract, a smaller one.
Nines.
Yeah. When you got a winner, boy, I be.
But that shit, man.
We dollar cost averaging to our losers. We gotta start dollar cost averaging to those winners too. Sometimes you get it at a higher price, but now you get another contract, and if it's pushing, the momentum is there. Follow your technicals and what's going on with the market. You know, yeah, you may be paying more for the contract, or you get another contract. You know, on this another call on PayPal that's a little further out. You know, but it just broke that 66, 67 level PayPal. Let's see what they do from here. SPY starting to come into strength some. Let's see what the news is talking about right now, really quick.
Apple should bounce right around here. Testing lower day from yesterday. Also a level from 2 days before that.
You're looking for Apple? That's Vic's favorite thing to play. All Vic trade is Apple, boy. I be like, man, I don't play with Apple. Apple done burnt me. Apple burnt me too many times.
But Apple 180 next week. I'm calling it, man, by Friday, man.
I can see that. Let me pull them up.
Apple needs to stop playing.
Let's put them up on the 30-minute chart.
I'm doing 2 weeks out on Apple.
Yeah, Apple just broke. Man. Apple breaking down right now.
Yeah.
Apple could catch support around 174.30 maybe if it gets down right there, but it broke the 175.80 level. So, and it got a big ass selling block. They got layering selling blocks up here. God damn.
Big layers. Layers on layers. And I'm like,
if I see Apple back at 176.50, I'm buying a put, boy. Microsoft pulling back right now too.
I'm gonna see, boy. It all depends on how that shit closes Friday, boy. Cause right now the 4 hours in weakness, like it's going back down to the 170, boy.
The 4 hours in weakness on Apple? Oh yeah, it's probably going back down then.
Apple put down at 174.80.
When Coinbase starts showing weakness on the 15, I'm buying a put, y'all. Coinbase puts could pay today. They a little overextended.
You got a buying block at 174.45 on Apple. I might reject here because Microsoft and Apple going down.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That's his SPY pushing, but it's been trying to look like it's been trying to pull it back.
Yeah, if Applesoft and Microsoft keep
still so excited from yesterday.
Yeah, people on that riding the high. That's it. Let me pull up the smart money dummy. The CCI is pivoting to the downside already. So for Microsoft and Apple on the 30-minute. Let me look at their 15. Yeah, their 15 is still pointing pretty heavy to the downside too. Let me see if there's a pivot coming in. Now the 15 is still down on Microsoft. I'm looking at the same CCI indicator on Coinbase. It's just now curving downward. So I took profit on that little call I jumped in. Now I'm still holding the put to see if we get that rejection back down to like 265. If we come back down to 265, that's beautiful.
You might as well jump in on the on a PayPal call, boy. Get the quick 15 real quick.
PayPal call. Yeah, PayPal is in good strength right now. It's flattening out on the 15, but it's still in good momentum.
I'm on a 5 minute. That's why I'm watching it, boy. Apple look like it just bounced.
Let me see what smart money and dumb money doing right now.
You said what smart money doing?
That's what I'm about to see what they're doing right now. Smart money selling off on Microsoft right now.
Microsoft going down.
Apple, same thing. Institutions are selling heavy on Apple, starting at around 9:30. Yeah, they've been selling heavy since this morning. Dumb money hasn't started selling yet. Dumb money is a straight line across right now. So if they start selling on top of this selling, we're gonna have a big push down.
Big drop.
Cause you know people, oh, I gotta take my profit. That's it. When that start happening,
they out.
That shit goes down, bro. Cause they start selling heavy. Let me look at Coinbase real quick. Smart money buying Coinbase right now. Smart money has been buying Coinbase this morning. Yeah, there's no denying it. Smart money's in Coinbase right now. All these motherfuckers think they slick. They probably pull the gaffle on everybody while they sliding into crypto. Everything they buying is going to be something crypto related soon. Crypto and AI related are going to be the two key factors every company is going to try to incorporate.
That's all you got to mention. Apple coming down to 174.80, then it's going to bounce.
Then it's going to bounce 174.80. I got 174.36. The U.S. sues Apple's alleged the tech giant exploits illegal monopoly. Oh shit! I'm about to get a put on Apple right now. Just to play the news kind of thing. Before they really tank down.
That's crazy.
When did this news come out? This literally just dropped right now. At 10:30, this article came out, so people probably don't even know it yet. The article I just told you how the United States is suing Apple, alleges tech giant exploits illegal monopoly. So the U.S. Justice Department is suing Apple.
What? That's crazy.
Yeah, that's why I'm grabbing this put. That shit about to hit the news wire right now.
Shit, the 15 started lighting up on PayPal. Hey, go yourself.
Hold.
Y'all come Apple.
What I say?
Justice on your ass.
What I say? When the DOJ said they coming after you, that ain't no bueno.
Right? Hide your money.
Hide your kids, hide your wife. I think if that news hits heavy, we might touch down to 172.80, and that's where I may take profit at on Apple puts. But 174, yeah, 172.80, bruh. The Department of Justice suing your ass because of monopolistic practices. That could bring on a big ass penalty, a big ass fine. Billions of dollar fine could come with that. Hundreds of millions of dollars they could have to pay for whatever practices they was doing that was monopolistic. I think that probably has a lot to do with that App Store, man. When they lost that App Store and the Apple Watch kind of deal, they've been losing a lot in court, bro. Apple's been taking a lot of losses. So you Gotta be very careful with them. I'm playing that put though. Man, they're paying right now. Let's go. We have 30% already. Let's go. Keep breaking down, Apple. Keep breaking down for me. I just need Coinbase to follow up with the breakdown, and we good. Damn, hold on. I meant to take a picture of that news article. Where is it at for Apple? What's the article that just came out? Where'd it go? Oh, here we go. I'm about to say. I'm about to share this on Twitter. You know, this will get you those views on Twitter, man.
That's real.
Damn, this is crazy. So the Justice Department sued Apple on Thursday, alleging the tech giant blocked software developers and mobile gaming companies from offering better options on the iPhone, resulting in higher prices for consumers. The government,
Offering better price on iPhone?
huh?
You said somebody offering better price on the iPhone?
No, they're not offering. They didn't allow companies. They blocked software developers and mobile gaming companies from offering better options on the iPhone, resulting in higher prices for the consumers. The government's antitrust complaint filed in the New Jersey federal court alleges Apple uses control of the iPhone to prevent competitors from offering innovative services such as digital wallets and limited the functionality of hardware products that compete with Apple's own devices. The suit also claims that Apple makes it difficult for users to switch devices that don't use Apple operating systems, such as Android smartphones. That's true. They create their whole Apple ecosystem, their chargers and everything. Remember, I was saying that, like, why don't we have universal phone chargers? Why I got to have this plug and this plug and this plug? You charge all this shit with the same plugs. But
now you see, now we sharing charges now.
right, like consumers should not have to pay higher prices because companies violate the antitrust laws, Attorney General Merrick Garland said in the statement. The case against Apple was the last shoe to drop on the big four tech giants by U.S. antitrust officials. They have also filed anti-monopoly lawsuits against Amazon, Google, and Meta platforms. Apple has already faced calls around the world to open up its tightly controlled iPhone software system. The European law forced Apple to comply with tough new competition rules for search engines, app stores, and online marketplaces. Yeah, the EU already put this restriction on them, and they already voted it in. Apple already took a hit on that. So, and we up 64% on the Apple puts. Let's go! Ah! Fall Apple. Die. Die. The news is spreading. The word is getting in the streets right now. People are like, what? Wait, what? Apple what? It's on my shares. Oh man, the article just popped up again. That's how you know it's big news. Oh god, the article popped up twice. Let's see what CNBC talking about. Oh, yep, it's right on CNBC right now. They talking about it. Let's turn up the volume. Let's listen to this. Let's listen to this.
Allowing services like Microsoft's Xbox Cloud streaming service on those devices. So that could be one potential easy concession in the EU already, letting third-party apps access that near-field communication chip for those tap-to-pay mobile payments, guys. So a little bit of difference between what the EU is attacking Apple for and what we're seeing here in this DOJ case. But of course, we got to read through the whole thing, guys.
Although last week, I think when we talked to Margaret Vestager of the EU, she didn't rule out that they would be looking into a potential violation for Apple on the Digital Markets Act with some of the concessions they've made that might not go all the way, especially if they still continue to impose fees.
When they put that ticker up on the screen, when they showing the live price action, they trying to show your shit crashing on TV, boy.
And that's why the App Store thing is so important here, because again, I'm not seeing
that is never good.
The computer right now, nigga, sell your position.
The live chart, they put that live chart up on screen and people watching it go down live on TV, it's gonna make them panic more. Like, oh my God. All the people that don't got charts in front of them right now seeing this on TV, like, opening up their apps right now. Hold on. Oh, man. Wow.
The App Store is massively lucrative for Apple, very high margin business. Of course,
Apple 45%. Yeah, who jump in that trade, boy?
You jumped in the put, G? Stop playing, G. Get in the put, man. Gotta play the news, man. When you're the first to hear some news, you gotta take advantage of that. Because soon the news is gonna settle in and people will be like, oh, maybe it's not that bad. And they're gonna start, and then the price will come back up. I ain't kid you about it.
I only threw $20 on there, man.
That's it. I got two $40 contracts. Them joints is up now, 100%.
Easy money.
Easy money right here, man. They just giving it to us right now.
65%.
130%. Let's go. I might take profit right here, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
You see? In like 15 seconds, you would have got that 15%.
Yeah, you could have jumped in right now and get your 15%. Bro. It's still wicking down. We haven't even touched 172 level yet. 172.70, that's a level. I think we're gonna touch that.
Man.
Now they putting out news. Apple's Tim Cook, CEO, opens new store in Shanghai. They trying to that's how you know they're panicking. They pushing out positive news. They trying to push anything to counter with this what's happening right now.
Okay, it's not happening.
It's not gonna work.
More people.
The Department of Justice is suing you.
The official announcement happens in 20 minutes.
What?
The Department of Justice hold antitrust announcements.
Oh yeah, they're gonna do it live, right? They getting up on the podium. Oh yeah, I'm holding. They're gonna get up on the podium and talk about this. Oh, it's gonna make it worse. You know they're gonna get up there and they're gonna be like, Apple doing this, they're doing this. This is why we're suing them. They're gonna outline all the reasons why.
Oh man.
Oh, here we go. G, did you get in yet? Here we about to touch the 172.70.
Ooh, 120. I'm on too much of me. I'm straight.
It's not too late, G. Come on, you can throw $50 in there, boy. Come on, man.
You could throw $100 on there, you'd have been up 140%.
Bro, I'm up 200% right now. This is crazy.
145. What the fuck? That's off $20, kid.
You got $145. I'm about to take profit, bro. 200%. I might take profit and re-enter with another contract. I'm not gonna lie.
Yo, I'm holding. And we had gave what you call it, 174. That shit at 173.45 right now.
172. Goodness gracious.
Oh my god. Yeah, today a good day, boy. I ain't gonna lie, boy. SPY not reacting so much.
SPY ain't pulling back.
It's about to.
Oh yeah, I'm about to grab a put on SPY too.
I had to put on SPY. I had a call on SPY. I got out of it for a loss.
I'm taking my 150% profit on Apple, man. I'm gonna jump back in. See if we wake back up. I'll jump back in. Not snatching that back from me, no. Not snatching that back. Because this, you gotta remember, it's a news thing, so people are reacting. This is emotional reaction right now.
Yeah.
So a lot of people are gonna be, oh, it's not that bad. Oh yeah, this is terrible. And but the initial when the news first comes out, it's never good. So you gotta get on it then. But now when people have more time to think about it, when the DOJ gets up there and starts talking, it may push down another leg. So you say he gets up there in 20 minutes. Yeah, I see. They got the podium.
Weakness right now, but look at the selling blocks though, kid. How you gonna go through all these selling blocks up here?
Oh, you looking at the 5 minute? Nah, I think if we get back to 174.30, I'll jump back in the put right there.
Nah, look at it. No, I'm looking at the 30. Look at the 30.
Oh, those are some big selling blocks up there.
Come on, man. You're not coming back here, man.
You're not coming back. You're done. You're done, son. Alright, so I mean the SPY put may be okay. What's Microsoft doing? If Microsoft is still in weakness, I'm getting a SPY put because SPY is about to pivot. I don't know what's holding SPY up. It must be like United Health or something and Eli Lilly because I know Microsoft. PayPal is resisting at that 66, 67 level I gave you, so be careful with that.
Yeah, I'm watching that too.
Microsoft catching a little support here. Microsoft might come in to save the day.
Yeah. SPY 15-minute VWAP about to touch.
To the downside?
To the upside.
To the upside? Okay. Yeah, Microsoft might save the day from that. Apple may be on its own.
I still don't believe in Apple.
Alright, well.
That's why I got an Android.
And I took that profit, man. Some plays just be too fast to call out for the Discord. That's why I'm telling people that I gotta be part of the live sessions because some of these plays are just too fast. You're not gonna catch them all.
But that's the same way like them boys, like the guys that paying for subscriptions that be wanting signals.
Yeah.
It's the same thing. By the time the person call it out, it's not the same price.
No, exactly. You late. It's too late. You gotta be either live with that person or like. That's the only way you really could catch it is if you're in a live session, you talking it through and you're hearing that when it's happening.
Yeah, so motherfuckers be like, no, man, how the hell you up 40% already? I just got in, I'm on 5%.
Because you got in 3 minutes after me, 4 minutes after me.
Exactly. You gotta wait. You gotta sit in that trade.
Yeah.
That's why some of these guys be getting like 400 contracts and they'll shit only go up like 4%. Them niggas out.
They get in and out. They done.
Not even 4%, 4 cents. They out.
They done. They got their profit.
Right.
And you over there like, wait, I'm just getting in the move. And then it's rejecting it like, oh, I'm in the opposite position now. We're doing puts. We're doing calls. You be five.
That quick. I'm like, dude, that shit only moved 5 cents, kid.
That's it. That's all I was looking for.
20%.
That's all I was looking for. So that's why you gotta understand who you're trading with, what their trading style is when you get in behind someone. Like you see, I know if I see someone trading off the 1 minute 30-second chart, I already know we don't trade the same. So I can't trade with you. You probably trade with a whole different kind of viewpoint of the market than I do because I'm trading on more of a macro vision. And there's some people that only trade on like a 5-year basis. They only come look at their account maybe like every 3 to 5 years, and then they make a move, so they don't see anything about these little weekly moves. They don't give a shit about this. They're looking at how the year closes out.
Yeah, that shit not hurting them.
Right. So it's all about what your strategy is. Just gotta know your strategy and have that and maintain your discipline. Don't try to have a macro strategy discipline when you're doing these short scalp plays because it's not going to work. You gotta have a different kind of. You gotta have that. Oh, you could let a long-term position maybe pull back on you a little bit more because you have more time for recovery. These short-term positions, once you get down 20-30%, you gotta exit go because that could go down much further, much faster. Like now you from 30% down, next thing you know you're 60% down. Now you're like, oh, I gotta hold because ain't no point in selling out. I'm down so much. Next thing you know you're 80% down. Like that shit's moves so fast, and that could be within a 10-minute span. So you gotta be real knowledgeable of what your risk tolerance is. Apple's gonna float right here in this range until this guy gets on stage. Till the DOJ gets on stage.
4 hours touching right now too. In weakness, well, about to cross down on Apple.
Let me Oh no, I can't because if I stream to the Discord, it's gonna slow everything down crazy. But I got it up. It's on CNBC. You pull up the CNBC website, or you come to the YouTube. You probably could see. 16 states file antitrust suit against Apple. Let's see what they're saying real quick.
These kinds of lawsuits no longer as relevant as they seemed at the time. Do you think that's a threat here as well?
It's always a risk, but at the same time, you look back to the Microsoft case some years ago, it produced some restrictions on Microsoft behavior, which have resulted in increased competition. Going back 20 years before that, when the AT&T monopoly was broken up, finally we got competition in long-distance lines. That case was pending for 4 or 5 years before it was settled and the breakup occurred. So I do think these cases are worth bringing in order to change behavior, but also they have benefit in terms of advising dominant companies about when they're going to want to run into trouble under the U.S. antitrust laws.
Bill Baer, thank you so much for joining us with your instant reaction. Very valuable to have you here today.
Thank you.
We appreciate it. The former assistant AG.
Yeah.
Yeah, they said sometimes these cases come up and they take a while to even be completed, but I think it's good for the economy to not have monopolies, bro. You don't want to have monopolies, people that could dominate industries and control pricing on their own like that. That leads to a lot of overcharging and unnecessary. What was that we were talking about? Was that you I was talking to, G, about the fruits? You were saying how people get $5 and get you a whole basket of fruits in other countries. I think we was talking about that last night. And it's pretty much because the government regulates feeding the people, and they're the ones bringing them the food, and they regulate the farming industry because it's a natural resource. It's a God-given resource. So they don't let anybody privatize that. So there's no overcharging for food. Like, food is the cost of food because this is how much it costs to grow it, produce it, manufacture it, and we're not going to try to hit you over the head for profit. We just try to feed the people. Now, when everything is privatized, like say a company in America had a monopoly on like wheat or something, the bread price would be stupid high because they could control the price of bread to make it however high they want, however low they want, because they control the whole supply. It's never good when that's the case. So, like they said with AT&T, y'all remember AT&T phone bills back in the day?
Yeah, those is ridiculous, bro.
Bro, I remember my brother had like a $2,000 phone bill once. I said, what?
God damn, Sprint. Sprint used to kill a nigga, boy.
Bruh.
I ain't gonna lie. You remember we used to talk like after 7 o'clock. That's when it used to be free.
Yeah.
For real.
But that's the only reason we at where we at now with these $10 or $50 a month unlimited plans is because of competition. If there was no competition, oh, they would still be hitting us over the head, bro. They would still be like, oh, we could have given them unlimited for $50, but nah, we're not gonna do that.
I'm trying to tell you.
Or if you want that unlimited plan, it's gonna cost you $500 a month now. They'll give you unlimited everything. Like, nah, we need competition out here, bro. Competition is healthy, keeps things right, keeps markets regulated.
Thanks.
So, I think Apple's getting ready to start its next leg down. Did the guy get on stage? Is he on stage? Let me see. Oh no, he's not on stage yet. Maybe more people just hearing the news. I think I'm gonna grab this spy put right here, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna do the spy put right here. Let me see what Microsoft is doing real quick. It was like on the 30. No, I'm still in weakness on the 30. Tesla caught that support. I'm glad I got out when I did. Alright, Apple. Here we go. I think the next leg down is starting here for Apple. This is about where I took profit last time. And it's just putting another selling block on the 15. Oh yeah. That's what I like to see. All right, we back in the Apple put now. We're looking for 170, 270 to break. Once this DOJ gets up here and starts talking, I think we're going to get another. That's when the next leg down is going to come. So let me keep this up.
Some of the things I see in terms of allocations, this is saying all the right things for a stock that will successfully go public today.
Reddit
Obviously,
IPO
public company,
is
but all the
today.
things they needed to do on the roadshow, and obviously you have the guest on earlier.
Supposed to IPO at $34 a share.
The buzz in the marketplace, they've created some of the buzz in their.
Supposed to come
That
in
thing
at.
gonna take off, boy. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, you think so? You think Reddit's gonna go crazy?
Yeah, I believe so. Reddit is a good company.
Let's see how it does with the IPO. All right, Coinbase coming down. Coinbase gonna come back down for me. I took profit on that call. I'm still in the put. The put was down 35%. But because I hedged it out with the call, it's almost like zero sum loss for me right now because the call already gave me all my money back for the put, or the money I could possibly lose on the put. So now I could really hold this shit. Wait for this reversal to kick in.
Let's say he gonna hold, boy.
Yeah, I see the pivot coming. I see the little pivot coming, but not on the 30. You know, I gotta see that 30. When I see that 30 MACD candlestick change, that's when I become a believer. But until that changes, it's still speculation. It's all speculation. Like SPY is still coming into strength on the 30-minute chart. It hasn't crossed to the green yet, but it's like it's getting ready to, or it's trying to. Apple's probably holding that down. Let's see, Microsoft. Microsoft is still in weakness on the 30. That's kind of dangerous. And this 30-minute candlestick closes in 4 minutes. So let's see how we close out here. Going into the DOJ coming up to talk about Apple. Let me see if it's on YouTube at all.
The thing that's doing me bad right now, boys, is Mickey D's, boy.
Oh man, the hamburger ain't doing you right, dog.
Damn, they ain't doing me right now, boy. Cause I thought they was gonna go through that little selling block from yesterday. These niggas ain't really doing nothing today, man. I gave them up to like 188, but they didn't really move up like that. They stayed out of a range. That's why I put looks starting to look decent.
That's SPY put, right? It's getting weakness. Yeah, the 30. Oh, the 30 flashing dark red. Here we go. I'm getting it. And the 30 I trust, boy. And the 30 about to close in 3 minutes. I'm getting it. I jump back in those Apple puts. We have 15% again.
Alright, up 130%.
Let's go with
for
SPY.
$20. Let's go. Let's put my $20 to work.
Every dollar has to work. Every dollar's an employee.
I'm trying to tell you.
Sometimes I give y'all days off, but sometimes y'all gonna work overtime, boy.
Right now, y'all niggas gotta work. Daddy got bills.
Let's see. We had 523 on SPY. That's crazy because I don't even have levels up here yet for SPY. That's how fast it pushed up here. Let me go to my 4 hour. Oh, I do have levels up there. I'm lying. Where my levels at? 514. We could pull back to 514, but I don't think we're gonna pull back that far. We may pull back to 516 is not out of realm of possibility. We'll have a weak support at 518, and then you have another consolidation area right here, right around 515.70. Shit, give me 515.70 on a SPY put today. Coinbase still trying to push. It's still holding its 273. Everything froze. This froze the whole market. Everything was pushing, pushing, pushing. And all of a sudden, this Apple news came out, and the whole market is like got paralyzed.
Like, damn, what we should do?
Yeah, like, hold on. What's about to happen with Apple? I ain't go Apple breaking down. Let's go. Okay, it's not back yet. 172.77 level. We touching my level right now, G, from earlier. I told you we was gonna hit. If you jumped in from what I told you, probably would have came up a good 60%. And could have been out right here at the level. But let me get this spot put. I'm gonna get the 521 puts.
Gee, you been up 150 with me, boy.
So they're not
150%.
he said I'm good, man. He said I'm chilling. I'm alright.
Well, see, he ain't looking for his 15 today, man. He vibing.
Let me see.
He worrying about SPY right now, man.
Yeah, he watching SPY.
I hate chasing shit though.
I know. Listen, bro. Listen. The market is gonna start teaching us more and more. You gotta put that pride and ego to the side, bro. Chasing, nah. You gotta chase sometimes, boy. Come here, baby. Come here. I miss you. I'm sorry. I meant to buy earlier. Just pull back a little bit for me. All right, you don't have to pull back. I'm just gonna jump in. And that's how it gotta be sometimes, because if not, sometimes you miss a big wave because of that. Especially when the momentum's already pushing heavy and you start waiting for that heavy pullback, sometimes it ain't gonna come. Alright, I'm worried about SPY right now. Let's just watch SPY. Apple broke below that level. We up 25% on the second Apple put entry. Do I want to take profit again? I'm really thinking about it, bruh. And just get back in when the guy gets up to talk.
Back right now, it's 11 o'clock. That thing need to drop down to 168.
I'm waiting for them to show it on CNBC. It's not up yet. I'm waiting for them to show this guy come up talking. I'm not gonna lie, yo. I watch CNBC so much. Low key, if I ran into one of these announcers on the street, I'll give them like celebrity love. Like, yo, I watch you all the time.
Just like the dude that's on Channel 7. What's his name? He do the Deco Drive.
Who? Nah, I don't know who that is.
Yeah, there's a little white dude that do the Deco Drive, man. He be on there with the girl. I forgot his name. That nigga stay right there on Midtown.
Oh,
Nigga be
wow.
walking his dog all the time. I always bump into that nigga.
Yeah, nah, I don't know who that is.
Do you know who that is? No. You go and see who I'm talking about, like the nigga who do the Deco Drive. The little white dude. He getting older now. He used to be young.
Apple still in weakness on that. I mean, SPY still in dark red on the 30. Let's see how this 30-minute candlestick closes out. So what are we looking for? All right, 11:30. By 11:30, I'm done today. I already had a couple good come-ups for the day. No need to be greedy. 11:30, I'm done. Hopefully by 11:30, Coinbase puts in the full pivot and that contract comes into profit. Because right now, that's the only loss I'm taking on the day is that Coinbase put. that I'm in. It's actually one of the only losses I took yesterday too. I should start playing against Coinbase, man. They teaching me. So you gonna keep betting against me? Okay. I jumped in the call yesterday. They fed me pretty good, and then I tried to play the put side, and it was like,
Not today,
not
bucko.
today, buddy.
Ooh, alright.
All right, Microsoft breaking down now.
Chose violence today. Let me get that $67, man. Stop playing crazy, man.
Apple, okay, Apple, we back up 50% on the Apple puts. Apple tanking again. Let's go. Is the guy up talking yet?
200%.
200%. Oh, they talking about it again. Every time they talking about it on CNBC, it goes down.
Yeah, they talking about it right now.
Yeah, every time they put it on the screen.
What does all that mean?
G-Bet jump in, 220.
The government is alleging
Let's see what they suing them for.
use the App Store
That nigga say he fucking with Spy, bro.
apps that it viewed as
I'm in SPY with him too. Shit, we up 8% on SPY puts. 10% now.
I'm up 7%.
There we go. Which one you got? I got the 521 put.
I got a 525.
525. Okay, so you in the money. You in the money, Sonny. Okay.
They would not be able to charge those fees. They would not have as much.
Those contracts should move nice.
Depending on what.
Those contracts should move nice. Investing.com just put out a post. Apple stocks could rally here on AI hopes. They trying to put out anything. This is how you know companies have people in certain places. Bro, we tanking right now. We need to put out article. We need you to put out any article about positive news about us. Let them know, we're talking about AI. Keep reminding them about that. And I saw another positive article come out. Like, the Apple people are trying to push that to save the stock from tanking further. And it's crazy that they have people in these media outlets that promote their company for them whenever they really need them to. That's crazy.
Now they really need them.
Like, what will make you put out an article right now in the middle of them tanking? You're gonna put out an article talking about the AI news from yesterday. Oh, Apple stock could rally from here with all the AI news. Rally from here? Y'all put this article out 1 minute ago. Did y'all not just hear what happened?
Niggas just getting sued.
Like, what do you mean? Oh, if they go down to 170, 150, that's a major support level. We break back down to below that, we going to 160s.
Ooh, don't say that.
170, 150 break. If 170, 150 breaks, we going to 169.20. Easy. Cause 171 is strong. That's a strong support level, boy.
Sheesh. I feel like I should have put more money down, boy. My $20 was not enough.
Nah, dog. You should have doubled up on that.
Sheesh. I should have got a 5-pack, boy.
You should have got a 10.
That's how I do it. If the trade is not going my way within the first hour, I get out of it.
I hear you. Yeah, that's smart. Or if I'm down 15, 20%, I'm out. I'm not going to take a deeper loss than that. It's too hard to recover, man. These wins ain't super easy to come by.
Right.
You know? Like, so you got to cut them losses early. And when the wins are here, we got to learn how to let them run and run with them. And sometimes you got to chase behind a win and dollar cost average into a winning position just so you can have a bigger profit, or bigger dollar profit. So when you dollar cost average into the winning position, like, yeah, I got a contract at 100. Okay, the contract is worth 150 now. All right, yeah, my average cost goes up to 125, but at the end of the day, and my percentage profit looks less, but the dollar amount I'm gonna make, if that push continues, is gonna be way more. Versus me having just held one contract. So, yeah, I may have to. Maybe I'm not at 50% profit. Maybe I'm at 30% profit. But before I made $50, now I'm at 30% profit, and now I made $85 off that 30%. So yeah, it's less percentage, but I'm making more money because I have more contracts. So sometimes when you have a good position going, sometimes you buy another one. Yeah, it may cost more. You're buying it at a higher price. So in your mind, sometimes that's counterintuitive. Like, damn, I'm dollar cost averaging in at a higher price. Yeah, sometimes that's the best thing to do. You know.
That's real.
Sometimes you gotta do that, but then you gotta be. So then when you do that, what happens is now you gotta tighten up your stop even more because now if it has a pullback, it's gonna take more of your money away on the pullback. So you gotta. All right, I'm gonna buy another one here, but now because I bought this new position on this next contract, I gotta push my stop loss up even higher. You know, so that's how you will play that. Like right now with Apple, ooh, he hitting 171, G. Damn, I wish he was here. But
Ooh. Oh my God.
how much you up, boss? 'Cause I jumped
320.
320. I
Oh,
jumped back in and I'm up 115% again.
Oh my God.
Oh
Dang.
my god.
Apple paying bills today, boy.
Oh yeah, Coinbase, break it down. Let's go, Coin. Yeah, you tried it. You tried for a long time. I might dollar cost average into that position right now.
Get out my spot, bro.
You about to get out?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Boy, that's 15 already. Yes, sir.
15 and I'm done. I feel you.
We back up 440 on PayPal.
PayPal pushing.
425%.
Oh yeah, y'all broke that level. You broke about 66, 67. Let me look at you on the hourly. The hourly's in strength. You good there? 30 minutes still in strength. You still good, man.
Man, listen, I'm riding to $68.
When you see that first 15-minute candlestick close with a light green, that's probably your time to get out.
Yes, sir.
Cause they all been closing dark green for right now. So when you see that close, light green close, not just flash light green, let it close there, and then all right, now I'm out. Now I'll get out. You only got one contract?
Take me out. Yeah.
Okay.
No, I got two.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say you could even like if it pulls back and pulls back to that 66, 60 level, you could probably take profit right there. And if it shows that it's gonna break down below that again, then just exit the other position.
That's crazy. Them shit's worth $36. Now them shit's worth $200.
Let's go. Apple, break it down. Is my man talking yet? I gotta see if the DOJ's up talking yet. Oh yeah, he's talking right now. That's why it's tanking. Let's go. Let me listen in. Let's listen in. Let's listen in.
Wow. It does this by diminishing the functionality of its own messaging app and by diminishing the functionality of third-party messaging apps. By doing so, Apple knowingly and deliberately degrades quality, privacy, and security for its users. For example, if an iPhone user messages a non-iPhone user in Apple Messages, the text appears not only as a green bubble, but incorporates limited functionality. The conversation is not encrypted, videos are pixelated and grainy, and users cannot edit messages or see typing indicators. As a result, iPhone users perceive rival smartphones as being lower quality because the experience of messaging friends and family who do not own iPhones is worse, even though Apple is the one responsible for breaking cross-platform messaging. And it does so intentionally. For example, in 2013, a senior executive at Apple explained that supporting cross-platform messaging in Apple Messages, quote, would simply serve to remove an obstacle to iPhone families giving their kids Android phones, close quote. In 2022, Apple's CEO was asked whether Apple would fix iPhone to Android messaging. The questionnaire added, quote, not to make it personal, but I can't send my mom certain videos.
There's the news on JetBlue right
Apple
now.
CEO responded, buy your mom an iPhone.
Buy your mom an iPhone.
In addition to selectively controlling app distribution and creation, we allege that Apple is violating the law by conditionally restricting developers' access to the interface, which is needed to make an app functional on the Apple operating system.
They said JetBlue Airways was in service at several cities and reduced flying out off to go to LA.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Yeah.
Is JetBlue going down?
I don't know. I gotta check the
check the stop.
Developers to venture outside the Apple ecosystem. When it comes to smartwatches,
hey, bro, I'm gonna look for a call after this shit here slow down, because that's the only thing that really slowed down today.
Only compatible with the iPhone. It also uses its technical and contractual controls
down, but it's not taking a hit though.
For someone with an iPhone to use a non-Apple smartwatch. And when it comes to digital wallets, Apple's exclusionary conduct goes a step further.
Digital wallets allow users to store and use passes and credentials in a single app, including credit cards, personal
We have 72% on the Apple. I'm taking my profit here.
Apple Wallet is Apple's proprietary
Brian, I was just asking for you, bro. What it do?
Actively encourages banks, merchants, and other parties to participate in Apple Wallet, but it simultaneously exerts its monopoly power to block these same partners from developing alternative
I see that. I thought that was going down right now.
iPhone users.
I mean, yeah, I said Apple.
For example,
Apple put.
Apple has blocked third-party developers from creating competing digital wallets on the iPhone. They use what is.
I gotta wait my 4 to 5 business days before my money quit.
That is a function that makes a digital wallet, well, a wallet. Instead, Apple forces those who want to use the wallet function to share personal information with Apple.
But my time is coming, my boy. It is coming.
Solely with their bank, medical provider, or other trusted third party. When an iPhone user puts a credit or debit card in Apple Wallet, Apple inserts itself into the process that would.
Yo, Mike, remember that volume I was telling you about?
And the card.
Yeah, that coin.
That
shit is up 25%.
What's the price of it, Ken? It's like fraction of a penny.
No, it's 6 cents now.
6 cents? Okay, hold on. Let me volume in. Let me look at it.
And less private.
What do they do again? What is their functionality?
They're like a market maker for a crypto company.
I think maybe that's why I didn't look. Hold on, let me see. What's their ticker? Volume in. I put them up. Hold on, I'm pulling them up right now.
Market. Now, having monopoly power does not itself violate the antitrust laws, but it does when a firm acquires
PayPal breaking down right here.
Power, not because it has a superior product or superior business acumen, but by engaging in exclusionary conduct. As set out in our complaint, Apple has maintained its power not because of its superiority, because of its unlawful exclusionary behavior. Monopolies like Apple's threaten the free and fair markets upon which our economy is based. They stifle innovation. They hurt producers and workers, and they increase costs for consumers. If left unchallenged, Apple will only continue to strengthen its smartphone monopoly. But there's a law for that. The Justice Department will vigorously enforce antitrust law. Enforcing the law protects consumers from higher prices and fewer choices. That is the Justice Department's legal obligation. That is what the American people expect. That is what they deserve. I am grateful to the attorneys and
Coinbase breaking down
for their tireless work on this case.
And SPY still breaking down. I'm in coin and SPY puts right now. I took profit on the Apple put.
Deputy Attorney General.
Yeah, I got out of the SPY put.
Thank you very much, Mr. Attorney
You
General.
did?
And good morning,
Yeah,
everyone.
look like Microsoft catching some strength.
In our fight against corporate misconduct, the department's approach is straightforward and relentless.
It bounced from a session low area a couple minutes ago.
Wrongdoers, whether individuals.
You have just heard from Attorney General Merrick Garland. We're listening to the Deputy Attorney General. We'll keep you apprised of any headlines there. This as they announce their lawsuit against Apple. They're suing Apple, alleging that Apple exploits an illegal monopoly. We've got Eamon Jabbers with us, covers the Department of Justice. Steve Kovac covers Apple. I do want to point out, guys, that the stock of Apple is now having its worst day since August 2023. It was down about 2.5% into the announcement. There were reports that this was going to happen today. Lost another percent or so as we have learned more details about what the DOJ has announced. Steve, I just want to come to you because this is not just going after Apple services and Apple apps. What AG Garland laid out was really a number of examples, including something we can all relate to, which is text messaging people who don't have iPhones. I'm still trying to get my dad to get them so that he can get pictures of my kids. But everything from the hardware to the software to the services part of the business, there's a lot there.
That's exactly right. And it's just how broad this lawsuit is. It's going after bit by bit every little bit of the business and this entire ecosystem that's, centered around the iPhone. And And those examples he gave were perfect. The iMessage being one of them. Of course, we've all experienced that, trying to text someone with an Android phone or something like that. But then it's the accessories too, and in these allegations that when Apple puts out its own accessories, like an Apple Watch, like AirPods, and so forth, you know, they have the more full set of features that maybe you can't get with a third-party accessory. For example, maybe you have a Garmin smartwatch. You can't exactly get like an iMessage on there or run certain apps, for example. It doesn't have that full integration, so to speak, with iOS. That is one thing. And then
I just said it. I told you. I said PayPal back at that level, bro. I said be careful. PayPal result. I said they put in a high wick. Be careful. Everything like it's turning right now.
Right? That how we killed me, boy. Yeah, I'm still at 300%. I'm gonna have to sell that shit. Fuck it.
Yep. I said when you see that first light green 15-minute close.
Damn, I should have paid attention, boy.
I mean, you still got 300%. Make sure you post them profits.
Yeah. Right. You up, my boy.
Right. You can't be mad with 300%. You should never sound sad with 300%, boy. You can never sound down with 300%.
I left a whole 100% on the table.
Nah, B. So what? You are 300%, boy. If I gave you $4 million, I was like, my bad. I gave you $1 million too much. Let me take back one. I left you with $3. You gonna be mad? Nah, you gonna be happy, boy. I got $3 million.
Right.
See about the
At least you got some games today, my boy. Got some goddamn games, bro. Okay. See, I gotta learn Robinhood.
You gotta learn Robinhood. You say, yeah. Not bad. Not bad.
Yeah. Only because I want to learn it because you said I could get my money direct there.
Yeah, I mean, you did deposit your money directly to Robinhood, bro.
Right. So.
I mean,
What you call it? You know, there's I don't know if you put your debit card. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what he's talking about.
Okay. There's another way where you can get your money as in like ASAP, like right now. You know how you go to the transfer? You transfer money? Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna show you right now.
Is it on Robinhood you show him or?
Yeah, Robinhood.
Oh, okay.
Robinhood.
Yeah, now Robinhood good for the instant transfers, but Webull, he's talking about Webull, he gotta wait 3 to 4 days. So.
Yeah, but Robinhood, you get that instant transfer as long as you got your debit card.
And Webull, after you have your account for a while, they'll credit your account with the cash you say you deposited before it hits. So like that, but this is your first deposit, so they're not gonna do that for you in your first deposit.
Right. All right. Yeah, I'm here now. Okay, you see where it says transfer from? Transfer from. Yeah, like. Okay. Yeah. You click that. Okay. Do you see it give you option for Visa debit card? Oh yeah, it got instant transfers. Yes sir. Instant transfers. Okay, bet. You click that and you pick the amount that you want. That thing come to Robinhood ASAP. Alright, we lit. Now I gotta figure out how to trade on this motherfucker. It's easy.
Trading on Robinhood easy, bro. Like,
Alright. Go to the ticker. Let's trade. Alright, so let's just say we just gonna put in SPY. Okay.
Robinhood, the easiest platform. If you could use Webull, you could use Robinhood, bro. Robinhood is user-friendly platform.
I'm still trying to figure out Webull. I feel more comfortable on Webull.
Right, that's like 'cause you've been using it. Exactly.
That's a lot of people too.
Alright, I think the Apple wave is done, man. I'm taking profits on all the puts. Take my little 30% on the third wave. That was fun. That was fun, Apple. Thank you. SPY. Let me look at SPY on the 30. SPY still in weakness on the 30, so I'm gonna let that rock out. Let's see if we can hold below that 524 level that we've been hitting all day. Well, we have 523.80, pretty much 524. As long as we hold below 524, we should be okay. I think we probably catch support somewhere down. It's a little buying block down here at 522.70. So that's probably where I would take profit on my puts and be done with SPY right there. Today was a good day, man. We cleaned up today and we did it all on live, so people can't say we came up, we made it up. We did it right before your eyes.
Stop it.
Hold on, let me get off the YouTube real quick. Hold on. Appreciate everybody for coming through the stream today. Had a good trading session. Y'all saw how things could go. Post-Fed meeting. Can be very volatile markets. It was started off as an uptrend, heavy uptrend day. And then we had the news come out on Apple that they're being sued by the Department of Justice for violating antitrust laws. So that was a major push down on the market right there. And I see we got about 200% opportunities right there in just trading the news. So sometimes you get news events like that and you first want to hear about it. You see the news just came out. Sometimes you could jump on that early and play it before the news is widespread and everybody knows about it, as they're starting to see now, which is why it's kind of like probably evening out because people are like, oh, this is not too bad, etc., etc. But yeah, this was a good day. I hope you learned something through this live session, and I am Michael Clark, owner of Culture Shock Investments. Make sure to follow us on all platforms, subscribe to the channel, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and here on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date. And if you really want to tap in, join our Discord community where we're doing a lot of these live trades. These are the guys you hear me trading with. They're part of my live community. So join in there. You get my live trade call outs on the spot and in these live sessions. Okay? All right. Appreciate everybody for coming. See you next time.